Yes, they have started again. They have started again. And when they start, they don't expect us to keep quiet. And that's the more reason they threaten my life. That's the more reason they don't want me to talk. Because, like I said, we live in a society where they will be beating you and they don't expect you to talk. Someone will be doing you something bad and he doesn't want you to talk, because if you talk, you're going to put them in a bad light and they don't want to be there. Anyway, they have started again, and because they have started, we would not keep quiet. Okay, we will not keep quiet. I want to talk about something that's very, very important that is affecting the Nigerian traders in Kumasi, Ghana. I want to talk about it this afternoon. You see, the day they came to my house, they did say something. They say, you need to stop talking. Now, yesterday, a gentleman called me from Dubai. Or was it? Yes, yesterday or day before yesterday. I'll check. Okay. It was Thursday. A gentleman called me from Dubai. He called me twice. I didn't pick. Then I called back and I asked him to call me because I didn't know who was calling. And that's the number I'm putting on the screen. The number is +971 55909 6262. +971 55909 6262. I beg DSS, make una take notes, and Ghana police, make una take notes. I'll put the number on the screen. Now, he called me and said, by then I have not watched the news to know what is happening to our traders. Then he now called me, says, that Pidgin English professor? And I said, yes, that's Pidgin English professor. He said, we don't want you to talk about Ghana issues again. If you talk about Ghana issues again, we are going to kill you and you will find your dead body. So, and I was like, where is this one coming from again? I don't know, there was already an issue and they are threatening me not to talk about it. And I have not seen that issue. So when that call came and I was like, who is this? So I now told him, okay, no problem. We'll give the numbers out to the authorities so that they'll track you and know where you killer is writing from. Anyway, so when I now came on the news and people were sending me messages that the Nigerian shops in Kumasi have been locked, or they are going around locking the Nigerian shops in Kumasi. Now, I will not sit here and say that Ghana has no reason to uphold their law. I will not sit here and say they are doing the wrong things because they believe they are doing the right things. We are done with this argument. But what I'm sitting here to say is that the Nigeria, as from Tuesday, if the shops in Kumasi are not open, Nigeria should also trigger the same law and close down the fish market in Abuja. That's all I'm saying. If they like, oh, they kill me, oh. If they like, oh, they don't kill me, oh. That will not stop me from talking. Yes, because you have a right to what you do to me. The reaction, you have no right. You cannot be doing things to me and still control how I react to it. It doesn't work like that. So we are calling on the Nigerian government, we are calling on Nigerian authorities to do what is called reciprocity, because it's a tool in diplomacy. Except the Ghana government comes to tell us that they are not aware of the locking of shops and it is the remedy happens before Wednesday. Otherwise, I'm calling on the Nigerian government, I'm calling on Traders Union in Nigeria also to activate the same law and lock up foreigner shops in Nigeria so that the table can be balanced. Because if the ECOWAS law is, according to them, the local law is bigger than the ECOWAS law, then the local law in Nigeria should also be bigger than the ECOWAS law. So we are quickly calling for reciprocity. We are done trying to tell them they are wrong or we are right. We are done trying to put this argument of being an ECOWAS citizen. What we want to say now is please, 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 Nigerian government. They've started locking our trader shop in Kumasi. According to them, we heard that it's because they are selling cheaper. Okay, so please, please, please lock foreigner shop in Nigeria. I beg. Anything that has to do with foreigners, I beg, check them out. We could be on the same page. For those that are sending me threat messages, like I said before, you already know my house. Your spokesperson said it. He said they already know the house of destiny, Austin. No more. Any day they want to strike, they will strike. So I'm more or less like a dead goat. I'm not afraid of knife. So that will not stop me from talking. There's nothing you do to me that I will stop talking. Yes, because you can't You can't oppress Nigerians and ask me not to talk. No. You don't beat a child and stop the child from crying. So I'm calling on our trade unions, I'm calling on our authorities to also reciprocate the good job they are doing to our traders in Kumasi. We are calling on the Nigerian government to reciprocate the good gesture that the traders, the Guta traders in Kumasi is doing to our traders there by locking their shop. Please reciprocate in like manner. That same good job, we want you to do it at the fish market in Abuja. We want you to do it in most of the Mami markets around Nigeria. Mami market in Port Harcourt, Mami market in Lokoja, Mami market in Abuja, Mami market in Lagos. All the Mami markets, I beg. We want you to reciprocate the good gesture. That good gesture they are doing to our traders in Kumasi. Please, 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 please. Our authorities should just do the same thing. The same thing. We are not calling for trouble. Before you say I'm asking for violence, I'm not asking for violence. I said the Kumasi Guta officials, the traders, they are doing well. They offered our people Christmas gifts. We are calling on Nigerian authorities to offer the same Christmas gifts to the fish market traders in Abuja, to all the traders in Mami market all over Nigeria. Yes, so.
Yeah, my people. It's your boy Igbo boy in Ghana. You guys know me as an Igbo guy living here in Kumasi, Ghana. Ghanaians, I have to tell you this truth as an Igbo guy. See, Ghanaians, before you do business with any Igbo guy here anywhere in Ghana, go to Kumasi, Accra, anywhere in Ghana, before you do business with any Igbo guy, make sure, like business that will lead to sharing of money, any kind of business that will lead to sharing of money, before you do the business with any Igbo guy, make sure you have many witnesses that will witness the business. Make sure you have many witnesses, more than one that will witness it. If possible, let police witness the business, because an Igbo guy can betray you. An Igbo guy can betray even his brother when it comes to money. An Igbo guy can betray even his father. An Igbo guy can betray his mother because of money. Yeah, I have this experience, and that's the reason why I want to share you guys with the experience, because I have witnessed it as an Igbo guy. An Igbo guy betrayed me in Accra. An Igbo guy betrayed me because of 500 cedis. This guy betrayed me to go and die in Accra. So please share this video, you as a Ghanaian, so that your people will also learn for this video. Share this video before you do business with any Igbo guy. Make sure you have many witnesses. That's what I want to tell you today. Thanks.
Abuzuin, eba be kan okure, oti ase ayenko, wa ante ase a eye bogoso. Me say, so ko Igbo king. Se nyade a ano abin mu a yem pese obeba social media so. Eni o ma wo ye bia na ye pese ye stop na on. Me say, enka Lawrence Yele Anka ubehu ni one ni chefo no mo hyehye chefo no behu ni one mo babaye wayi no ase nanso esa ni marketing geti aye wo social media ni ntinu a stop ni nyoma bi mu me nka se me na me stop no party da go geti aye bo no ka chimperifo ne se saade ni betumi akose wo mo me ka wati ase woti mase aye nko wa ante mase a ebogo so ayene plan no because sample for we mu nyina we den woni wo mu nyina so okọ pa obey the secret omfa camera antuno so emeto public biom say was your lessons we unu say social media no ene ne yede kutia no what you say say no onya de emeto social media biom ene ne bi wono so onka no onye den enkom ye beye ne sa say ma ne nko sa de ne yede beye no so ko Igbo king no saade no na edebe no ye ma no wura dom bebrem yes enye saade man kitikiti we ya anka obu kaba for man ni na so on say you want to nyanko yes oko ya ni tv anko ba beto social media entu ntumi nya just support share video yi ma video yi nko akiri share video yi ye be ya akopi mo time asa na ma we nyina tu betwa nyanko pon kan ho oti ase ayenko wa anti ase a eyebogozo
wanti asia ebogoso abzia pomo de subscribe channel like ndi ebuso konengro enya kakraka we son forwarding na ya tinyame media so eni abzia obaswa na wa subscribe no wa share no like and no first time na wa turn notification bell no on said de be ya post video obenya bi ahwe now say kabine manim eba this particular video but you manage for audio if we channel kono e be hwese benya hoden e betena camera mu edi enkoma abusua yenko otimasi ayeko wantimasi abugoso na wohwe kwasi ampeni jimifo ya osiwo ya obibi na ne chukudi kraman chukudi na aboa tese destiny mo a wohwe ne video akoma nyina bayo ya uti nkwasi asema no woka and uchida mpokwa me basa yadom na nanom omo nchechere ya sasi we especially asante omo nkwaso na eyeme de se yura tumfo si to me de se kanana wa pia na won kwaso na nyini che tumfo nyame kesi ena de kumasi ya no na yana mufi se mu nkwasi asem na mudi no gana ni nyina no mo betim de abakumasi du kumasi ya mo ye mo akola mai. If you are Nigerian and you are in Kumasi and you want to misbehave, make sure you know the land that you are misbehaving on. Even Ghanaian send a signal, send a warning to any Ashanti, the leaders or Ashantinia, rare Ashantia, you will never go scot-free. You will never be free everywhere you are. The gods of our land will bring you wherever you are. So make sure you don't fool in Kumasi. And those of you guys in Kumasi, those Nigerians, rare Nigerians, some Nigerians who have little sense knows what I'm talking about and you know what the power in Kumasi. Not like any other religions. Se gamancha sase so ena mubinya sibre eni jinabre edi emwa sam ne nkwasi asema Kumasi de ofafafafa enyi Kumasi monten so aha no edu betu le mpepepe ubetana moni aje ubebo obra na mubu mra ba akopeso a oni nka kurum ha mesi ekru we so sunsum ena ebe peja wasese edu aboho oja mfa nchimse mfon ba ko ne bele mfa chimpa ekru we sunsum ena ebe peja edu aboho eno eyero tumfo sita bibia asase the power of we are ekran no na mohwe destiny mo a sese no oyobi a wa start motivational messages minim sese on revenue obofo ne ye adwuma dia e was ye ko revenue obofo na oman as of the title no ne ye adwuma ba ko ebom efise motivational speaker na motivation message na start na wo kan eho apis asore no benya di break kakra na ye papa obofo e kan nyansa se na obra na wadane mic na dia ma no na ono so aka jimisem e de akire ebia se jimifo ba asole a odi amom ofise ba bia jimi wo ho ade a Yesu Kristo 20 miansa ne jimi ta so dem kra no jimi beba ho na ne odu aso dem ho no na ye papa obofo reverend obofo nso so de ne mic be masa akwase ampani we a eho e na behu se ya dodo wa na ho ne de yankof ba begu nsa ayin ba dwun se ho ne bejo nso ho no na ye obofo be yi jimi dia mo na ye de yankof ba begu nsa sese no aka Nigeria nti obetima ye do peso ye bia de bagana eye si wo penti Ghana black eye si wo kansa mbɔ ne ku Ghana so ebema ne mmoa ne ntwammoa ne jimi fo ne nkwasiafo ne gu Nigeria no abusua eswate for coming to Ghana and to coming to Ghana because ye hia wo mo nti opa wo nka de opeso ka bia na nsim so kwetena TV so twa trogu Ghana fo so na mo frame dia mi wo hu de destiny ekeka hu de omo ekeka mahu pa mo manenkeka memefo no so se wo kan de wo kan nya mefo no so manenka eba ne sa obi bakrum ho a osuro afi na mo pa gutacho afi na mo pa kemi acho omo ho hwe the authority no ekura yewura asante hene omumfa omo petition fa nkoduru ho na ho ne ebe se ebetwa omo ti na makoma de omo yam na se mbegimu asase bia so a enye Kumasi monten so abusua enzese de no more de wadane motivational speaker or preach edition Nigeria for said everybody should know dare and try Ghana say obetena had abaye business o see ye threaten abrabo kwase jimi fo bi sitisa no ono timi de number de ama authorities say o track down no mo hwe nipa o threaten chese osuro wu na ne nanka wo nyina Ghana ha nti Ghana doing cho ono asole ye nano ena mande okoni nchi mami kasembi na me ne onim difo bi kasa otitire obi a o sika wa Ghana ha edin komo na obi busa ne se no ye loud pa na obi busa ne na de na wadwo sa na okache ne se hwe Nyankopɔn ko an kame ntiase o se aden ye bo pass ye meku ana ye sole wo so ye physical se bia nkofo di wachi o se da bi enniemu am yankasa me komu was spiritual no yankasa me hu se loud na me no social media no e was me twa so na me ka sa wow Simon was hwe yaw de me fa mu no no kan experience ba ko mienu miensa bi abusua ena ho na hu se yes kurom ha no yenyo tubo abra yenkura bibi ube tubo ya ukura bibi se woni jakokwa ye nkasa wa hanum se nti onu ankasa na no do start ye Ghanaians are doing chochocho men were waiting men waiting Hassan ye Ghana na nkrofo Hassan ye Ghana ni media team ananka ye ko citizen arrest omo twen ye kuye ene men na ankasa sori etia wa afedie you are preaching to Ghanaians and your Nigerians. That is cool. Me say what you say ye ko wan ti ase a Igbogoso. Abusua enti moves na Kumase Asante Guta KMA otumfo authorities na taken no we and several lesson ema gama nkrofo nkran ayi hu sa bosu kan ebi ahyase wo recently ebi ahyase kwabenya Koforidua sunyane ene nkuru akaso follow this particular procedure ya nkofi fa so ya na se process o monam so o mfa so na nkofo wi ehum ente na omunko omukurum obi a wonkura nkrata pa bibia mu so te asase so no monye dabre ne mfini nsem ento no shopum asase no ina no ne breye na mo pega na de to ho de mai o mo si yimbe yi bi ntoa so na mo ankase yeme kunkrofo yembe kidnap nkrofo yembe intimidate nkrofo yemye hunhuna nkrofo nti se wo authority na wanya akonya hwe video yi wo authority na be pie video yi so a nserew onye course ema mo ho every region bia no in starting to Nigeria for shopum we obeka se yaw na refi se mo start Nigeria mazgo yi Nigeria for Ghana for more Nigerian so FFM we come akosem e come honsem eno ena obi aja platform so na obisa se wo Ghana ni a woda so Nigeria ho eden na wo pe wo se obi wo kwesi broni krum complain se why eden oda so ete ho obi ti kwesi broni krum complain obi da so ete ho sa na Nigeria no so be kan nti de mi be kan obeku ti ahye ho ti ma mi kan ko ti nhye ho ma no problem kwesi broni krum no they are not chasing the passport. They are not chasing the nipasu. That is why Ghana ni will complain say wonye. Oda so tewo. Anya system no e good. Wo Nigeria ni Ghana ni wo Nigeria awo kwada no Nigeria ni awo tewo. We are where say Ghana for ye aduane kwa no mkoto a. Emofo agimi fo nkwasiefo mu wi nipa na mi kura ti mesu aduane no. Ebo ye ma no edi. Ko police station e be foolish case. Mo pay o se moje kura no. Moje less. Eno so akoye bo achibidin. Light muntimi mpo nyina light mane nya 2 hours within 1 hour else kate te wo opeden ho yesi momla mukrum to obi agina simpie so gina sebi stage so enya platform o say Ghana ni wo yeden wo Nigeria bebrebla ukrum na ukrum petedu na mabika efri se wanka se wonim se kunu munye hwe efin ka fin enche me de video bi obi sende mo Nigeria no nam Nigeria street bia no obodin me de beto so mo hwe in next video bi a amenya akwenya yes agimi fo ntwamo video sini bi na me ya omfumo video sini bia mbeto so am sebi kruwa ejana akore nim market kesiu sebi omukọ ejana la tre bombara tre omukọ guade mu di afachem omako hwiegu ekuru bi we sei na wutim enti bra okrum anepe what the ogimi fo no be kan say Nigeria fo ni bi Ghana fo ni bi so Nigeria nti ye no omon aban no omon kase oseden na enkaye mi bi omo shop no mo ohujimi omujimi ti wo Nigeria ni ka wo Ghana ni akota Nigeria bibusa se ebra ben pa na wo bono say kro so wo ma okrum ti de jimi fo no be kan
Ghana Union of Traders Association has started locking Nigerian owned shops again. It started in Kumasi yesterday. There's something I really need to remind us. Ghanaian traders who are in Nigeria, Ghanaian businessmen who are in Nigeria, nobody has ever disturbed them. It is only in Ghana that every Sunday, Guta will wake up and start disturbing Nigerian businessmen in Ghana. You start locking their shops. illegal. And this
on one person post na say we say you lie. Where is the lie? Comment na say hey you I say you Ghana is for Ghanaians, not Nigerians. So better you people to go back to your country. Nigeria isn't force for you people to stay in Ghana. No, then you people to stop shouting on media. Better for you to go back. And I'll be commenting here. Say you people are in Nigeria and nobody is disturbing them. Nobody commenting say you yourself should also lock your mouth because your mouth is smelling sharp. Kumasi people have different mindset too. There's our country you don't get to decide. Obviously same way you started in 1969 and when Nigeria responded in 80s and you have been crying about that Ghana must go since then. We have comment reply and say kwasia you and your father and she said nkofo etwabon psa was her comment and at that particular post I say let me know your thought on the comment section. Move to our comment section one otiasia ye ko antiasia bogoso sanity na de kan nyina ne say this nkofo we enya nkofo we ye no mutena ne kra say you know, yaji womanim kra inti no mede maka cho so Nigeria ni na wo we Ghana na wo Nigeria bra okrom Ghana because what in kwase mo moka inti opeso mo kire se Lagos kakraka na Ghana for di dwa ho allegedly mu bi di dwa ho no ajane no mo kaka ho ti shase to mo stores no mo a mo nso mani beji ana sa na nkofo we ka bo mo refi se o mo ntwa mo bebe na egu ha echen ye nkrofo mo Nigeria and ye nkrofo no so ni bone ye nkrofo nkum nipa ye nkrofo kidnap nkrofo ye nkrofo nya akonya nso camera endi atem endi nkwase asem eni di ye mpanifo ne ahemfo bi atem o ma ahemfo bi atem okromo nti different what masay ye nko ati masay bogoso ebusuya ha ejami media. Let me know your thought on the comment section. Me de pa say this no more issue about this particular asema ekoso ebusuya me say ombesu achense ombesu te sesebi omo maame anasa omo mma ewu this no more na me betwia ne ka obe bre rough onzo wo bere sinani nka Ghana we nka da police ni bia si yadi ni bia penny authority bia Ghana ni obeji usika si wo mo hwato watena kuro mu back abra yenchu yenjelu hwe nto no nanu nkunu ntontwe no okura ka o mo nkanto fom antoan so nyama pepe akira man yankopon kambom enye mo ho adwuma enu me bia mo sefete bia mo de mama mo abonsamfa beifo na nkanye jimifo authorities bi na so sa jimi wo iso a na nko betena Ghana fom ho de so a etwa movie akopremiere na cinema ho mowa abusuya mbi besi anim sei hi Jami Media. Bomode subscribe channel like na ebuso ko no engronye kakraka. Yesa transi bi akra.